press machine from the first perspective. This model has the following advantage. The first one is this model equipped with Siemens touch screen. And there is a dust cover for this touch screen, which can avoid dust pollution. And this model is equipped with the European standard detailing mode, which meets GMP standard. And this model is equipped with the automatic lubrication feeding device, which can save labor. And this model also equipped with this manual button feeding device. For more information of this machine, please visit our official website www.machinery.com.